Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to share, like and subscribe and hit the notification button. Today we're gonna make the most delicious jerk chicken wings.
Now we're gonna make our marinade for our chicken wings. We have our scallion. We have onions. And we have some green thyme. We have ginger. We have garlic. We have a scotch bonnet pepper. We are not going to use the seeds in it because it's very hot and we don't want our marinade to be too hot. And so we have some pepper here just to bring up the flavor of the marinade. So now we have some allspice, some nutmeg, some salt, some sugar, black pepper, and we have some olive oil, some vinegar, and we have some browning to give it a color. So now we're gonna add a little lemon juice. Look at that, smells so good. So now that our chicken wings is marinated, as you can see, we add a little water to keep our chicken wings moist. So what we're going to do now is to put our wings in the oven. Wow, look at that. After 1 hour in the oven, now we're going to turn our chicken wings over. Look at that. So now we're going to put back our wings in the oven so that the other side could cook. So now that our chicken is almost ready, we're going to make our dipping sauce. We need a little bit of oil. And there we have 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and we have the same onion. So we're going to saute this a little bit. Now we're going to add some red wine, some pineapple juice. I will just give this a stir here. Then we have some sauce, some jerk sauce, which we're gonna, or ketchup. So now we're gonna add our sugar. a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And here we have some cinnamon, about a half a teaspoon to bring up our flavor. And we have about a half a teaspoon of salt. So now we're gonna add some browning. So now we're gonna just leave it to simmer. So now that our sauce is ready, look how beautiful that is. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna get our wings into the sauce and then put them back under our baking tray and in the oven for another 5 minutes. Look at that, beautiful. And this is how you make the most delicious, mouth-watering jerk chicken wings in the oven.
If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Thanks for watching.